அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். ஏஎஸ் ஸ்டடி சர்க்கிள் சார்பில் உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கின்றேன். இன்றைக்கு 10ஆம் வகுப்பில் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி பாடத்தில் 7வது யூனிட், அதாவது ஆட்டம்ஸ் அண்ட் மாலிகூல்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறதுல தான் புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்குறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட், சூஸ் த பெஸ்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், which of the following has the smallest mass? Answer is B, one atom of He, that is helium. Second one, which of the following is a triatomic molecule? Carbon dioxide. Third one, the volume occupied by 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide at STP, that is B answer, that is 2.24 liter. Fourth one, mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom is 14 gram. Fifth one, which of the following represent 1 AMU, atomic mass unit? That is answer is C, 1/12th of the mass of a C, that is carbon 12 atom. Next, sixth one, which of the following statement is incorrect? The C, 1 mole of hydrogen has contains Avogadro's number of atom. This is the incorrect answer. Then that is statement. Seventh one, the volume occupied by 1 mole of diatomic gas at STP is 22.4 liter. Eighth one, in the nucleus of, that is calcium Ca, that is mass number and atomic number, that is 40, that is 20. There are 20 protons and 20 neutrons. Ninth one, the gram molecular mass of oxygen molecule is 32 gram. 10th one, 1 mole of any substance contains molecules, dash molecules, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, that is Avogadro number. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, atoms of different elements have dash mass number but dash atomic numbers are called isobars. Same mass number but different atomic numbers. Second one, atoms of different elements having same number of dash are called isotones, this neutrons. Third one, atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of other element by artificial transmutation. Fourth one, the sum of the numbers of protons and neutrons of an atom is called mass number. Fifth one, relative atomic mass is otherwise known as dash, that is standard atomic weight. Next one, that is sixth one, the average atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 AMU. Seventh one, if a molecule is made of similar kind of atoms, then it is called dash atomic molecule, homo atomic molecule. Eighth one, the number of atoms present in a molecule is called its atomicity. Ninth one, 1 mole of any gas occupies dash ml at STP, that is 22,400 ml. 10th one, atomicity of phosphorus is 4. Next, match the following. First one, 8 gram of oxygen, that is O2, 0.25 moles. 4 gram of H2, that is hydrogen, 2 moles. Then third one, 52 gram of He, that is helium, 13 moles. Then fourth one, 112 gram of nitrogen, that is N2, 4 moles. Fifth one, 35.5 gram of Cl2, that is chloride, that is 0.5 moles. Fourth one, true or false? First one, two elements sometimes can form more than one compound. True. Second one, noble gases are diatomic. It's a false statement. Here, instead of diatomic, you have to write monoatomic. Third one, the gram atomic means of an element has no unit. The gram atomic mass of an element has no unit is a false statement. Instead of no unit, we have to write has unit, that is gram. Fourth one mole of gold and silver contain same number of atoms. It's a true statement. Fifth one, molar mass of carbon dioxide is 42 gram. It's a wrong statement. The correct one is 44 gram. CO2 is equal to 12 plus 2 into 16. That is molar mass. That is for carbon is at 12. That is oxygen is for 16. So totally it's a 44 gram. Next Roman letter, assertion and reason. First one, assertion, the relative atomic mass of aluminum is 27. The reason given here is an atom of aluminum is 27 times heavier than 1 by 12th of the mass of the C12 atom. The answer is first one, that is A and R are correct. R explains the A. The next one, second one, assertion, the relative molecular mass of chlorine is 35.5 AMU. The reason given here is the natural abundance of chlorine isotopes are not equal. Here the answer is third one, that is A is wrong, R is correct. The next lesson in chemistry is Unit 8, periodic classification of elements. First one, let us choose the best answer. First one, the number of periods and groups in the periodic table are 7, 18. That is 7 periods and 18 groups. Second one, the basis of modern periodic law is atomic number. Third one, dash group contains the number of halogen family, that is 17th group. Fourth one, dash is a relative periodic property, here electronegativity. Then fifth one, chemical formula of rust is Fu2O3 XH2O. Sixth one, in the aluminothermic process, the role of Al, that is aluminum, is reducing agent. Seventh one, the process of coating the surface of metal with a thin layer of zinc is called galvanization. Eighth one, which of the following have inert gases, 2 electrons in the outer shell, that is helium, He. Ninth one, neon shows 0 electron affinity due to dash, that is stable configuration of electrons. 10th one, dash is an important metal to form amalgam, here Hg. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, if the electronegativity difference between two bonded atoms in a molecule is greater than 1.7, the nature of bonding is ionic. Second one, dash is the longest period in the periodical table, 6th period. Atomic number forms the basis of modern periodic table. Fourth one, if the difference between two Cl, that is chlorine atom in Cl2 molecule is 1.98, that is angstrom, then the radius of Cl, that is chlorine atom, is 0.99, that is called angstrom. Fifth one, among the given species A minus, A plus and A, The smallest one in size is A plus. Sixth one, the scientist who propounded the modern periodic law is dash Henry Moseley. Seventh one, across the period, ionic radii dash, that is decreases. Eighth one, dash and dash are called inner transition elements, that is lanthanides and actinides. Ninth one, the chief ore of aluminium is dash, that is bauxite. Tenth one, the chemical name of rust is hydrated ferric oxide. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, galvanization coating with zinc is the 10. Second one, calcination, that is heating in the absence of air. Third one, redox reaction, aluminothermic process. Fourth one, dental filling, that is silver tin amalgam. Fifth one, group 18 elements, that is noble gas elements. Next thing is true or false. If false, give the correct statement. First one, Moseley's periodic table is based on atomic number, that is atomic mass. It is a false statement. The correct one is atomic number. Second one, ionic radius increases across the period from left to right. It's not increases, it's decreases. Third one, all ores are minerals, but all minerals cannot be called as ores. It's a true statement. Fourth one, all wires are used as electric cables due to their silvery white color. It's a false statement. It is not because of silvery white color, it is because of good conductivity. Fifth one, an alloy is heterogeneous mixture of metals. It's a false statement. Here instead of heterogeneous mixture, we have to write homogeneous mixture there. Fifth Roman letter, assertion and reason. Answer the following question using the data given below. First one, the nature of bond in HF molecule is ionic. Reason, the electronegativity difference between H and F is 1.9. Here the answer is third one, that is A is wrong, R is correct. Second, assertion, magnesium is used to protect steel from rusting. Reason, magnesium is more reactive than iron. Here the answer is first one, that is A and R are correct. R explains the A. Third one, assertion, an uncleaned copper vessel is covered with a greenish layer. Reason, copper is not attacked by alkali. So here the answer is, that is a fourth one, A and R are correct. R does not explains A.